not put strict measures on the youth in terms of access to finance. For example, if we have an organization like Mara Basin, their policies should be different from the ones of the banks. Okay, if you go to the bank, you have to be told you need to have some documents that you have operated for 6 months. You need to show that you can generate some income. But if I come to an organization like Mara Basin, if I table my idea, they should be in a position to help me access finance.
For example, the issues from vehicles, from industry. In fact, industry should, before releasing these gases, they should first treat these gases. Before releasing to the environment, they must make sure that these gases are offset to the environment. Another issue of pollution, they are saying they are encouraging the communities that are living in planted forests, for example, in our locality. They are encouraging them not to practice this issue of forestation. Instead, they should do the issue of afforestation, that is, planting more trees to enable the issues of oxygen facilitation to the environment. Another thing we are saying about pollution is instead of using these petrol vehicles and diesel so on, we are encouraging them that they should shift from these things to electric vehicles. And we all know that electric does not produce these gases to the environment.
Today we had a very wonderful day. We had towards COP31, and we had youth from various places within Narok County, and we talk about barriers, biggest barriers concerning climate justice and in Kenya and the solutions.
Many of us have inadequate access to resources that we need in order to conserve and to be able to have a sustainable environment. We also saw that there is also lack of awareness where youth are not much involved, and the community at large here in Kenya are not much involved in the climate change or in the climate matters environment.
We all agree as youth that there are some barriers to climate justice. We have the solutions, and we look forward to the practicality of what we've discussed, that this is going to go forward, and we're not just going to hear it from big organizations, but it's going to come to the grassroots level, like Mara Basin.
We need computer and this refers to physical limitation on networks. Solution to that, we need books and experts. Those experts can help us to promote our own research.
One thing that I can say is if we start from the grassroots level, from a local perspective, building up, then we will have a sustainable future. Because what we are yearning for is for sustainability. So when we talk about sustainability, when we talk about climate justice, that is now a vision statement from the youths. So as youths, we are always on the forefront, despite the challenges that we incur. We're always on the forefront to make sure that we push forward the agenda of climate justice. And apart from pushing the agenda of climate justice, we make sure that we have that passion of engaging more and more youths. So from today's event, I can confidently say that we've learned a lot from the youths, and there are a lot of issues and a lot of challenges that needs to be addressed, of which, when it's taken into consideration, I think we'll be in a good place.